For the best deals on tires and rims, go to tiresourcecanada.ca. And don't forget to use their promo code HOC5 for a 5% discount on all the online orders. The link is in the description below. Hi guys, and welcome to another EV6 video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you and welcome back. But if you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you know when the next video drops. I have had my Kia EV6 for 2 years and have driven it for exactly 51,489 kilometers. And this is my honest ownership experience. Reliability. I had 2 issues with this car that required replacement of parts, and I posted videos on both of them. The first one was where the driver's side seatbelt stopped latching. The dealer was able to get the part in 2 days and replace it. So technically it was a big safety issue, but it did not obviously affect the drivability of the vehicle. So I'll let you decide how big of an issue was that. The second was where the driver's side door handle sensor, where you lightly touch it and it locks and unlocks, stopped working. The approach to vehicle and automatically the door presenting itself was still working, but the sensor was not working. This is a feature that's available on the GT line package 2 in Canada. I don't know where, at what trim it's available in the rest of the world. That part was ordered and the dealer had it in about 2 weeks. So again, nothing that affected safety or drivability of the vehicle. Apart from that, I had no issues. I know that people have posted online having issues of the 12-volt battery dying and them stranding in parking lots or roadside, which is obviously a terrible experience. And they've had to call the tow truck to get out of that situation. Knock on glass, not once I had one of those issues. I guess I got one of the good ones. Those who follow my channel know that I charge my car to 100% every single time. I don't look at the percentage, I go by the kilometers. So every time the range drops below 200 kilometers, I plug it in and I charge it to 100%. Or if I'm out and about and I get home and it just coincidentally is way below 200 or way below even 100, obviously I will plug it in, but usually I'll plug it in around 200. I do not monitor the battery degradation, so I cannot say for sure if the battery has degraded or not. But look at this. I charged this car to 100% last night. And the car is rated, the GT line package 2 is rated at 406 kilometers on a full charge with climate control off and in eco mode. And this is what it is at today after 2 years of charging at 100%. As you can see, the car is fully charged at 100%. It is 24 degrees Celsius, and in eco mode the range is 438 kilometers. And the car is rated at 406 kilometers on full charge. In normal, 425 kilometers, and in sport, 412. Maintenance. Here's a screenshot of the scheduled maintenance from the Kia EV6 owner's manual for normal driving conditions. I represents inspection and R represents replacement. And as you can see, the cabin air filter was to be replaced at 26,000 kilometers, which I did. The next replacement is not due until 52,000 kilometers, which I am just approaching. So I'll get that done any day now. Apart from that, tire rotations every 13,000 kilometers. And if you live in a country like Canada and use winter tires, like I do, that happens naturally. But if you live in a tropical area, then just get your tire rotations done every 13,000 kilometers. And no, you can get it done anywhere at any tire shop. You don't have to go to the dealership. Unless, of course, the cost of going to the dealership and a tire shop is the same, or the difference isn't much and it's convenient going to the dealership, like it was for me. The only other thing is brake servicing if and when required. And again, you can go to your trusted shop instead of going to the dealership for that. I'm at around 52,000 kilometers and I haven't gotten it done yet. So no, I did not take my EV6 to a dealership for scheduled maintenance the scam dealerships are running using scare tactics. costing, based on what I've read online, anywhere between $50 and $200 Canadian. And what are they doing? Tire rotations, washer fluid top up, maybe an air filter change if it's due, and inspection of your suspension and battery. That's it. $200 for that? Really? I posted a video showing that the EV6 has onboard diagnostics, which does a complete test of everything and gives out a report. Report as in like what's good and what's not. And, well, everything is good. Some of you might be thinking that that's going to void my warranty. I guess we'll find out. I've been leasing cars for over 15 years now, and I've never had a warranty claim denied because my car was not dealership maintained. Actually, in Canada, it's illegal for the dealerships to tell you that if you do not maintain your cars at the dealership, your warranty will be void. You can maintain your car at any warranty-approved shop, and as long as you have the receipts, you're good. So for maintenance, all I've done is change the air filter and tire rotations. Isn't that the whole sales pitch for EVs? Low maintenance, if not no maintenance? Keep in mind, dealerships make the real money from the service department. Obviously, they make money by selling cars too, but the real money comes from the service department. And this is why a lot of dealerships don't like selling EVs, because there's no repeat business. When they sell you an ICE vehicle, you're going to go for oil changes, rear differential oil if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, gear oil when that is due, obviously the air filters and whatnot, and engine filter too, right, in case of ICE vehicles. So there's a lot of money to be made. So how do they make more money when they sell you EVs? Well, they come up with a maintenance package. No word of a lie, I've seen maintenance packages for the EV6 that include an oil change. How's that not a scam? They literally looked like, obviously, took a regular maintenance package and renamed it to the EV maintenance package and forgot to change that. They had to remove the oil change from there. The cost of operation. Look at the smile on my face, because this was a total surprise. I got the EV6 for the style, for the technology, for the performance, for fun times. But I was pleasantly surprised to see how inexpensive it was to operate. Outside of winter, it cost me around between $50 to $70 a month to charge it. And in cold months, because we're in Canada, obviously, you use more energy for heating and everything. I spend between $70 to $100, rarely $100, but usually it hovers around $70, $80 for the month. And with the gas prices these days, people are spending $100 Canadian to fill up a Corolla. And no, it's not going to last a month. And there you have it. This was my honest ownership experience in terms of reliability and how I maintain it. I hope you found the video useful, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and thank you for watching.